I'll be showing you how to set the dosage of the weight of your ground coffee for a Mesa grinder. This is kind of how you set for most grinders as well. If you can see, the time here is 3 seconds, means that it grinds for 3 seconds. Does not mean that it grinds for 3 grams. So grams and time is separate. Before you change your setting, number one, you need to figure out what is your dosage. In this case, I would like to set this grinder to roughly 9 grams. Before I set, I need to check what is the current dosage. Always use a paper cup, because the paper cup is light, so you get a more accurate figure. The scale is not that accurate. This scale fluctuates between 0.5 to 1 grams. So take the reading with a pinch of salt. I'm going to test the weight now. And the weight is 8.2 grams. Okay, now it's 8.3, 8.0, 7.8. Yeah, it fluctuates. So now the weight is roughly 8. I like to change it to 9. So what I do to change the setting for the dosage for this is pressing this menu button here. Next, press 1. I'm setting for 1 shot, and I want to up the dosage or the grinding time. Let's up it to 3.8. Okay, let's try 3.8. Once you're done, press the top button to save. The bottom button cancels it. So if I press the bottom button, it cancels it. So let's try setting again. Save. Alright, so now we change to 3.8 seconds grind time. Let's check what is the weight. Alright, it's roughly 9.8 to about 10 grams. So I've overshot it. I want to set it to 9. So let's try that again. Let's try 3.6 this time. Let's see. (9.5), 9.7. So I need to reduce it a little bit more. Let's try 3.4 this time, or 3.45. Oh right, it's 8.89, now close enough. So once you find the weight of your dosage, remember to take a picture, write down the time which is in your grinder. Each time you change your coffee beans, each time you change your burr, you may need to change your time. So after you place this into here, it will look somewhat like this. So this is a single shot portafilter, and you go in just like that. And this is how you set the grind weight for a grinder.
Goodbye. And this is my right. Goodbye. And this is my Goodbye.